Hey there, is your TP Link Wi-Fi acting up, leaving you disconnected and frustrated? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix TP Link Wi-Fi not working. Whether it's a minor hiccup or a more persistent issue, these troubleshooting steps will have you browsing smoothly again in no time. Step 1. Restart your router and modem. The first and most straightforward step is to restart your TP Link router and modem. Power cycling your devices can often resolve common connectivity issues. Simply unplug your router and modem from their power sources. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Allow a minute or so for them to fully reboot and establish a connection. Test your Wi-Fi to see if the issue is resolved. If not, move to the next step. Step 2. Check your connections and cables. Loose cables or incorrect connections can lead to connectivity problems. Ensure that all cables leading to your TP Link router and modem are securely connected. This includes power cables, Ethernet cables, and any other cords involved in your setup. Also, make sure your devices are receiving power by checking the indicator lights. If a cable seems faulty, try replacing it with a spare to see if that resolves the issue. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause performance issues with your router. To fix TP Link Wi-Fi not working, log into your router's admin panel. Open a web browser, enter your router's IP address, and enter your login credentials. Navigate to the firmware section and check for updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. This could improve your router's stability and connectivity. Step 4. Adjust wireless settings. Sometimes channel interference can affect your Wi-Fi performance. Access your router's admin panel again and navigate to the wireless settings section. Try changing your Wi-Fi channel to improve signal strength, especially if you're in a densely populated area with many wireless networks. Channels 1, 6, and 11 are often recommended for the 2.4 GHz band. Save your settings and test your connection to see if it has improved. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If none of the previous steps work, you might need to reset your TP Link router to its factory settings. This process will erase all custom settings, so use it as a last resort. To reset your router, locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole found on the back of the device. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds using a paperclip. After the router reboots, you'll need to set it up again using the default SSID and password. Then, check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is restored. So there you have it. Simple yet effective ways to TP Link Wi-Fi not working. From restarting your devices to updating firmware and adjusting wireless settings, these steps are designed to help restore your connection quickly. Remember to always keep your equipment up to date and check wiring regularly for the best performance. Prioritize your Wi-Fi health by following these troubleshooting tips. Soon you'll be surfing the web and streaming your favorite shows without a hitch. Happy browsing, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if the issues arise again.